Hey buddies, welcome to Tech Help channel. Don't forget to subscribe. What you're going to learn is an app called Wakelet. So Wakelet is an app where you can organize your link. That is a main thing with Wakelet. Many links usually we'll share in the WhatsApp chat for our students, but using this Wakelet, you can share multiple links using one link. If you have n number of links to share, using this Wakelet, you can make it as a one link. Okay, so how that we can do? So that's what we are going to do with this video. First of all, I'm going to log in. I can log in with Google. I'm just going to continue with Google. I'll be directed to this Wakelet main page. I'm going to select the mail account which I want to join. My Wakelet main page is right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new collection. So I'm just going to click and I'm just going to create a new collection. Maybe you can add a pretty good image for your new collection. I'm just going to upload or choose from library or education or something like that. I'm going to search. Many pictures will come. Love to learn. So that's one good stuff. I'm just going to add it. So the front page or the new collection page, the image will be uploaded. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add few things in this link. Maybe you can add any sort of PDF. You can add image. You can add different things. So when I click here, it will ask me to paste any web address. For example, if I want to paste any YouTube link, let me go and search one YouTube link, YouTube my channel, like so the recently made video is here. So I can click that and I can get the shareable link. So I can copy the video URL and I can paste the link here and see my video thumbnail along with that things will be uploaded here. Next, if I want to add any other link, for example, if I want to add some Samachir link, Samachir Kalvi solutions, if I want to add that, you can click it and the above link you can see in the address bar. You can copy that link and you can paste it here. So you can see that is also getting uploaded. So it is also uploaded. And if I want to add any image here, I'm just going to select image. Maybe I can upload it, upload an image from my documents. So for example, if I want to add any image like maybe a school logo, I'm just going to add here. And within few minutes or few seconds it will be added. Yes, it is added. And if I want to add any PDF, I can select any PDF and Department of English. If I want to add that, my PDF will be uploaded. You can see my PDF is getting uploaded. So and if I want to add something related with other apps, it will be from Google Drive. If I want to add some link, I have to sign in Google and I can take that particular thing which I want to like to share. I can get the link of that and I can paste that link here, or I can directly take it from Google Drive to here and I can upload it. Once my things are done, I can click done. So I can go for the main page and I can change the visibility here. So it is in private, I can change it to public so that everyone can see that. So visibility is changed. So now everyone can see my new collection which I have uploaded in Wakelet. So my thing is ready, and this is not only 4-5 links. You can add many more links. You can add n number of links. in this particular Wakelet page. Okay, so so if you want to add any description for your page, you can go ahead and adding that description. Or if you want to change the layout, compact view is there, and grid view is there. Okay, grid view, it will be something like this. And you can go ahead with mood board or different sort of things, media view. So this is called media view already. The default will be media view. And if I want to edit anything like that, I can edit it. And here itself you can change the private into public. And once I give done, it will be saved. Yes. So what next is, I can share this collection. I'm just going to click the share button and get once the URL is done, I can share it. I can copy it, or if you want me to export as a PDF, I can export it as a PDF. And whenever they click that particular link, it will be directed to the main page. Okay, so I have copied the link, and when my student open this, I'm just going to open the link. When my student open the link, the preview will be something like this. Since it is logged in again with my account, I can't show you the I can't show that particular stuff. So yeah, you can see it's something like this. 4 items, 1 view. Since I have viewed that, you can see 1 view. So something like this you can create, and you can send it to your students, so that with one link you can share multiple things. In that one link, multiple things, multiple PDF, multiple net links is added, and you can help the students to access with one link. That is the main motive of this Wakelet. Hope you understood, and this was quite useful for you, I believe. Thank you.